Unfortunately, no matter how clean you keep your car, over time plastic tends to haze, and the brake light on the 10 through 14 Mustang very commonly will haze and just look really terrible in the back of your car. So here we'll show you how to fix that with a brand new LED option from Accelatec. These LED third brake lights from Accelatec are going to fit your 2010 through 2014 Mustang and are a direct plug-and-play replacement for your factory light. Obviously, they look much better off. They look way better on thanks to the LED strip featured in each light. These are available in a smoke finish or the original red. Here's a shot of the factory one turned on. Now for the installation, my car obviously has the carbon fiber trunk lid, but the installation is going to be pretty much the same. Once you open the trunk, if you have a factory trunk, there'll be a cover here, simply held on by push pins. Remove the cover to access the light. So once you've accessed the light, pull this tab here, unplug it. There'll be 3 push pins holding it on. Now, depending on the year of your car, your push pins might be a little different style than these are, but it's the same concept. Now I'm going to install the smoked one so they look better on my car, but here you can see the Accelatec versus the stock one. I mean, this lens is pretty much trash on this one. Plus again, you get the LED, which will be way brighter. We'll show you that in a second. Let's simply line it up, put it up into place, and reinstall the push pins. So you plug it in, and we'll test it, see how it looks. See, huge difference. Looks great when it's turned off, even better turned on. Our Accelatec third brake light looks killer in the smoked finish of the back of the car, and it matches the smoked taillights perfectly. And as you can see, when you hit the brakes, there's no loss of light output either. Now the installation is very straightforward. The only thing you need is a clip removal tool. Give yourself about 15 to 20 minutes. Be back on the road in no time.